Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Asmani Pro EA for MT4. I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down the information provided by the developer, and then reviewing the historical testing material and overall behavior described for this system. Okay, now starting with the marketplace page, the marketplace listing, we can see that Asmani Pro is an expert advisor developed by Mangesh Vasant Chinchalka and designed specifically for the MetaTrader 4 platform. So just to be clear early on, this is an MT4 only EA. At the time of this review, it is listed at a purchase price of $125 with a monthly rental option available as well for $51. The developer also highlights that this EA is positioned as a low risk and consistent profit system. It is described as one of the more popular and safer expert advisors. Although, as always, I'm just focusing on what is stated on the page rather than making any assumptions beyond that. As I scroll through the description, the EA is specifically designed to work on EURUSD and EURJPY, and it is intended for use on the M15 time frame only. That's quite important because it means the system is optimized around a very specific trading environment rather than being multi-market or multi-time frame. Looking further into the product details, the developer outlines capital requirements, suggesting a minimum account size of $300 with an ideal starting point around $1,000. These recommendations are clearly provided to align with how the EA is expected to operate under different account conditions. Now, one thing I also notice on the page is that the developer strongly recommends reading a series of blog posts before using or backtesting the EA. All right. So these cover areas like the general strategy, input explanations, backtesting methodology, profit and risk analysis, and frequently asked question. Okay. So that suggests the system has a structured methodology behind it, and the developer is emphasizing proper understanding before deployment. Now, moving into the usage notes, the EA is described as operating under predefined conditions, and it is also noted that backtest images shown are based on high quality historical data. There is an important reminder that if lower quality data is used, results may differ significantly, which is something to keep in mind when evaluating historical performance. So based on what I can see here from an initial deposit of $1,000, this shows January 2015 to March 2019. The EA seemed to have generated close to $200,000 in net profit. That should be about $198,878. Maximum drawdown 22%, total trades 3,002. And then I can also see here this shows 1,000 to 200,000. This shows 300 to 2,000. So net profit was about $1,700. Total trades 3,001. Maximum drawdown 28%. This shows with just 0.01 lots. But then let's also head over to our strategy tester so that we can see how this EA performed over the past 3 months. We're testing the Asmani Pro EA on EURUSD on the M15 time frame. We are using the every tick modeling, of course, and we are testing over the past 3 months. Looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was $12.15. Total trades taken were 30, out of which 18 were profitable, giving us a 60% win rate. The largest profit was 2.81, and the average profit was 1.37. But then the largest loss was 3.37, and the average loss was 1.04. All right. So that means the risk to reward ratio is not very good, but it is manageable, right? Because the risk to reward the risk to reward ratio is close to 1:3, close to 1:1.3 thereabouts. Okay, so now let's just briefly look at the EA in action. I'm just going to turn on the visuals right away. Okay, so now looking at the functional aspect of the EA, the information provided indicates that it is designed around controlled risk behavior and predefined trading rules. All right. However, the exact internal strategy logic is not fully detailed in the marketplace description, so I won't assume any specific indicators or entry models beyond what is stated. Before moving into the backtesting section, it is important to highlight the recommended uh trading environment again, which is EURUSD and EURJPY, in case if you want to test the EA yourself. But as you can see, I'm testing on EURUSD. All right. So when reviewing historical results, it's important to keep the context in mind. Now, it's important to remember that backtesting represents past performance under specific conditions, and it should always be treated as historical analysis rather than a prediction of future results. The developer provides multiple supporting resources explaining strategy, inputs, and backtest interpretation. This suggests that understanding the EA properly requires reviewing those additional materials that was provided on the marketplace page, right? We can see here. Okay, so when looking at the historical chart behavior, the structure appears to be based on predefined conditions specific to the EU and EJ M15 environment. That's EURUSD and EURJPY. Now beyond that, I would avoid guessing exact entry triggers or internal decision rules, since those are not explicitly disclosed in the main listing. One key takeaway from reviewing the provided information is that longer and higher quality historical data sets are strongly emphasized. The developer specifically mentions using 99.9% data accuracy from 2015 onward, which highlights the importance of precision when evaluating results. Now, as with any expert advice, or historical testing performance can vary depending on spread conditions, broker execution, slippage, risk settings, and overall market conditions. These factors can significantly influence both backtest and real-world outcomes. Overall, the Asmani Pro EA for MT4 is presented as a structured, low-risk style trading system designed specifically for EURUSD and EURJPY on the M15 time frame, with a strong emphasis on controlled trading conditions and historical validation. As always, I would recommend testing it thoroughly in your own environment and optimizing based on your broker conditions before considering any live usage. Thank you for watching, and if you've used Asmani Pro EA yourself, feel free to share your experience below.